This is TWiT.
Well, I'm still on my kick of trying to find replacement apps for the Google apps that I use. And so one thing that I was trying to replace was Google Photos, because although it's a great app for everything that it does, it's just way too noisy to pop into when all you want to do is show pictures of things that you've done to people. I mean, Photos is great, sure, because it can find those things, but it can get pretty messy when you have a lot of folders. So I picked up, let's see, is that too bright? Let's see. Okay.
Looking good.
Okay, it looks good. Okay. I picked up Memoria Photo Gallery. Now, this is free, or you can pay for it to remove ads. I'm using the free version, and I haven't really encountered any ad problems. So I think something is going on because I actually have purchased the pro version, but I'm showing off the free version. So this is the free version. So you'll notice that it says up here flows photos, and that's because Memoria has some cool customizable tricks. I mean, if you really want to create a photo gallery of your own on your phone, you can go to the settings and basically choose which albums are visible that are on your phone. You can choose a security. So what kind of password protection you'd like for certain photos. I used a fingerprint for this one, and I'll show you a demo of that in a second. There's a recycle bin, which I haven't really used much. You can choose from different layouts, so however you like to look at your columns. You can zoom in. Oh gosh, there's just so many. I don't even know what to tell you guys about. There's different themes, which I actually really like. So you can go in and select, I'm using the dark, but there's like a retro theme, which kind of does this like cool sort of sepia tone thing. Or you can do like a dark material, or if you are really hardcore, you could do dark AMOLED.
Oh yeah.
Just really get that in. You can also choose your accent color as you like, and mine should be purple or pink always. And so after you've kind of set that all up, you go back, here's your photo. So these are my photos that I have. These are just all of them dumped out the same way they would be in Google Photos. But what you don't know is that I have hidden a lot of photos into the vault to keep you from seeing them, because I don't want them here available to the public. Mm-hmm. When you go into my albums, you can see like the different albums on here. Side note, the portrait on Pixel 3 is annoying because it makes like a folder for each of the photos. So the reason I like Memoria is because I can actually go in, and what you do is you can long press, and then there are a bunch of options. So you can either pin it if you need to. Let's say it's an album of your cat. Okay, you could pin that, and then you always have those pictures. Or you can go here into the little menu, and you can do exclude, which just basically hides them from any feed, so they just exist on your phone without being shown. Or you can exclude them, or you can hide them. And so when you hide them, they go into the vault. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the vault, right? Let's go into the vault.
I don't know. You don't want to show us what's in the vault.
I haven't put much into the vault. Now I have to remember how to get into the vault. Okay, so you get into hidden albums. You just go ahead and pop in there. It's just photos of my ice cream. And selfies that I took, and my godson. So that's about it. But yeah, I just have all this stuff is just hanging out in the vault. And so then when I want to get back out, I just click on home, and it takes me to where I last was. So Memoria is it's a pretty simple gallery app, but it's less of a headache. And I mean, there are some cool little things. So like here, you could just long press to kind of like bring it up. So if you're showing somebody a picture, and you just want to have it take up the screen, you could do that instead of clicking on it fully.
Oh yeah. I like that.
You can, as you favorite photos and videos, they show up in my favorites, which is really nice. You can play video in here, no problem. Check out the location on it. Just your standard photo gallery stuff, but without all the intricacies of Google Photos.
Yeah, nice. Yeah. I like that it has that vault too. So
yeah.
So once you exit the vault, in order to get in again,
you have to
scan
your finger,
Yeah,
or you
good.
could do a password protect, or you could do a pattern, or you could do a pin, whatever you want to do.
That's cool.
I just like, and there's also an easy access camera button from the interface.
Right on.
So if you want to take a picture.
Memoria Photo Gallery is the name of the app. Check it out. Right on.